Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I've got a special little bit of a tool that I have plans for available on the website at blacksmithpdfs.com. I hope you guys will enjoy this little tool video here. Basically put, it's a bandsaw. It's a new bandsaw stand design that I've come up with, and you know, I was inspired by John at Black Bear Forge, John Switzer at Black Bear Forge. I'll put a link to his channel in the description, and I'll also link up the video I'm referencing at the end cards of this video if you care to go take and see his original design that he had made. Now, he made a design of a stand to take and hold your saw upright, and that really helped me uncomplicate things and really helped me along. So thank you, John, for that. So being the type of guy that I am, I ran into things where I would really like to still have a horizontal cutting bandsaw. So I came up with a new design for a stand. This isn't a copy of John at Black Bear Forges. This is kind of a different iteration, so I hope you guys will like it. Hopefully it'll continue to inspire you guys out there. If you want exact, sizes and dimensions and things, once again, that's not this kind of video. I have plans available on the website at blacksmithpdfs.com, and those plans will be $3.99 at a cost. It's the way I help support the channel. It's the way that you can help support the channel continue to grow and get new stuff like camera equipment and things like that. So anyways, without further ado, long intro, sorry about that. Hopefully you're still here. If you are and you haven't skipped over all this thing, I want to thank you all for watching. So now I'll just do a little presentation, a little cutting demonstration, and show how the thing works. Thanks for watching.